Heidi ho, Mr. Wonderful here. How are you all doing today? Good, I hope. Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians, Alan, Paul from Australia, Steve and Claire. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. And thanks for watching in. Thanks for your support. A bit fishy going on there. 100 Krónur. So first of all, we want to punch a hole in it. So I'm going to use a small punch because I want to try and keep a bit of detail in the centre. Beautiful day today. I was at the market and they sell these reindeer skins. Of course, all the birds are nesting at the moment, and the old crows and ravens, they jump on these skins and start pulling out their hair for their nests. It really upsets the sellers. It's funny to watch though. I mean, the birds there are tame. You can, all the sparrows and pigeons, they come and sit on your hand because they're so used to, they're so used to us. Everybody feeds them. I've even got videos of them like flying up, taking stuff out of my hand, and they're bloody tame. Of course, all the holiday makers want to take a video of you doing it, and but it's all part of the holiday, isn't it? Really, Plus, they get to see Mr. Wonderful acting like the idiot he is. Right. My girlfriend should be on the way in another half an hour. I've got to do this coin and I've got to start the dinner. Ain't no rest for the wicked, is there? Right, I'm going to clean it up with Christy butter. Okie dokie. Looking pretty damn smooth if you ask me. Right, let's break out Old Faithful. Show it some love with a bit of warmth and affection. Quite thick coin as well. Cha cha cha. Okay, let's get out our good old doming block that I'm starting to use a bit more. Let's try a smaller ball bearing. Whether that makes any difference, I don't know. So this is going to be sunny side up. That's going to go face down. In there, just like that. Just like that. And we'll go over to good old Big Bertha. Right, that's rather good. Now you want to find one. Oh, it's a bit tight there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have them all here. Oh dear, this is a funny size. This is. Right, I have to do a little bit on this one, then I'll try and fit it in the other one. Bit of looby loo. Yeah. This might go pear shaped. You just don't want it to go through, otherwise it cocks it all up. Right. Bit of the odd one too. Now will it fit? Will she go in there now? Yes, she will. Bit more looby loop. Right, that doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too good neither. Right, there we go. That's as near as damn it. It is what it is. Will it fit? Yes, it will. Right. Do we need to clean that edge up at all? I'll give it a little bit. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. You can send me your own coins. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. You can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. M for microwave. E for, what am I going to say? E for extra chicken, please. Right, there you go. Whatever's going on, I don't know. Right, I'll go over to Spike. A bit of kitchen mole. There he is. His glory. Yeah, my first spike broke after about, what, 2 months. It just couldn't cope with it. It's a cheap one, so is this one. You know, this was about 160 quid, I think, or euros. And this is quite tough, so I think I'll warm it up again. I split a ring the other day. It will be an outtake video one day. One day, I don't know what day, but one day. And no bad language. Yes, I know. It's amazing, isn't it? Right. Let's get it back on again. See, a bit of warmth and it's nice. It's like butter again. It's not going to be a big ring because it's quite a small coin. I mean, you can, you know, you can do a lot, but you can't work miracles. I'll heat it up again. Okie dokie. Right, back to Spike. Yeah, it's doing okay, this old Spike, at the moment. I mean, they take some pressure, you know, you give them a bit of stick. Right, the dome is out of it. The bow is out of it. So we can go down to the bottom end of Spike and we can do the old 1-2 on it. These are reducing dies. This plate came with the ring stretcher. It's not the best quality, that's why I bought that one. I think that was about 80 bucks, I think. But this does the job, you know. There you go. Nice straight wash. Excuse me. Beg my pardon. Right, let's just cut out that. There's a little bit of a... See that lip in there? You want to get that out. Right, there you go. Pretty good. So, let's break out the one and only Kate. I think I'll use a slightly more abrasive Kate. I want to do the edge, it's a bit sad. If you don't take the mickey out of it, it won't let you down. There you go. There's a bit chompy in there. Now we can break out Kate. There she is. She's a fine girl. She's a lot less abrasive. Well, she's hardly abrasive at all. It just gets the fire scale off. You don't have to go crazy with it. So you can see where my fingers have got oil and dirt on them. Look at it, it's gone black again. This one will definitely have to be polished up. So, where is he? There he is. Good old Felton John. And a bit of jollop. One of my subscribers said, did I say trollop? I said, no, it's jollop. It's a word, well, a lot of English people use it, you know. Jollop can be anything, really. Ouch, ouch, it's getting mighty warm. Right, let's have a little gander, shall we? See what we've got. We've got a dirty cloth there somewhere. Yeah, there's old faithful dirty cloth as usual. It doesn't seem to disappear, this cloth. It's always here. Oh, yeah. They come up too bad. Not too shabby. Needs a bit more on the inside. I just need a smaller Felton John. But, yeah. I will do that off camera. Off camera. Off phone, I should say. Bloody off camera. What have we got? Actually looking. I think you could do with some more polishing, don't you? Funny old coin this is. I don't know what it's made of. I think it's made of some old railway tracks they dug up. Right, let's try and get it a bit shinier. Ouch. Right, how's that looking? Clean the old mingers off. Let's see what we've got. Is it any better? Yeah, it's looking a bit better. See, take your time. Don't rush. Like all things, take your time. Take it nice and slow. Nice and easy does it every time. Right, let's get out our slightly clean cloth. It's pretty good, this cloth. Some cloths I really like. It's strange, eh? They're not all the same, believe it or not. They look the same. Some seem to work better than other cloths. Right. chuck it to one side. That's looking a bit better. Yeah. It's still a bit sad there. I don't know if it's the metal. Got metal fatigue. Still got the detail on the inside. Quite a nice looking ring. What we got? I say a size 8, 9. No. Where's all the markings gone? Oh, 8.5. So there you go, folks. Thank you all so much for your support, and thanks for your comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you all tomorrow if I'm still here, if we're all still here, hopefully. If you haven't subscribed, hey, come on, hit it. It's no obligation. It's free, and it'll help me out no end. And I'll be your bestest for ages. So, fits this finger perfectly. Have a great day. And so be bye-bye for now. Be good. Love your thy neighbour.